Hey guys, it's Stephanie Pumpkin here and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna open up a package from a friend and our family member from Amazon. Can't wait. So here we go. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna cover my address. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see. Comment if you like getting like fan mail from your friends or family. I'm trying to. Like there's 2 containers in here. String. Looks like string. I want this like goal. I want you to like this video, and my like goal today is like 500. So, oh, we got some clay beads. We got that one. Got clay beads for bracelets, friendship bracelets. Then we got something. A clay bead. Looks like a clay bead fell out, guys. And we got these ones, clay beads. So we got these clay beads. We got, and this. Thank you, one of my family members or friends who got me this. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Make this video up to 500 likes. That's the like goal for today. All right. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.